Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, which should be in the version section, so let's tap on it, and as you can see the build number should be at the very top. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. And now we can go back to the general settings, and here let's enter additional settings. As you can see the developer options are right here, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the adaptive notification priority, we can disable USB audio routing. Here we've got some options which are connected with the animation, with the surface updates, for example, with the Bluetooth, or overall with the networking. As you can see, we've got also the USB options, the Wi-Fi options. So all you have to do in order to turn on the option is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off in the same way, and if you've got the options without the switchers, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, and just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the very top. And as you can see, most of the options, actually all of the options are not even inactive, but they simply disappeared. And after getting back to the additional settings, you can see that the developer options also disappeared from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your OPPO A94 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.